Hey guys, I'm Gabby. I'm an Austin-based marketing consultant and content creator. And today I'm going to take you through my Quickie wellness routine using Vital Protein's Vitality Immune Booster. So the Vitality Immune Booster comes in little packets just like this. They're filled with collagen and electrolytes, which are great for hydrating your body and also boosting your immune system. If you're looking for that dewy, glowy skin look, this is what you'll want to drink. All you do is add it to 16 ounces of cold or hot water, mix it up, and then drink it. But today I'm going to put it in my smoothie bowl. So the first step is that I'm going to mix the immune booster with some water. So you do is pour it into a glass, and then I'm going to add 16 ounces of cold water to it and mix it up. And you want to make sure you stir it well, just so that it mixes up entirely with the water and you're not getting any weird powdery chunks in the liquid. Next, I'm going to build the base for my smoothie bowl. So I'm going to start with some frozen fruit. I have some frozen peaches, pineapples, bananas, and mangoes. I'm going to add that to my blender. And then I have some strawberries, which I'm going to add as well as half a fresh banana. I'm going to pour in half of my Vitality Immune Booster, just because I don't want it to be super liquidy. I kind of want it to be a little bit thick so it holds its consistency really well. I'm going to add a splash of regular orange juice just for some more orange flavor. And I'm going to add a little bit of honey just for some extra sweetness. And then all you want to do is blend it up. So once that's done blending, you kind of want to just check to make sure it's a good thick consistency. And this is, so you can start plating your smoothie bowl. That's it. And then all you do is enjoy. Cheers! Thanks so much for following along and watching my Quickie wellness routine. I'm gonna go enjoy this smoothie bowl now.